Hey everybody, Dawn here. Hopefully you can hear me. The wind is howling. My voice is a little bit raspy, but I'm up here in Vermont on vacation and I talk a lot about how to have a good plan B for like your food and your activity. Well, this was kind of a plan B week for all the things. I'll tell you why. First, it's been raining for the past 2 days. I don't know if you can see the wind whipping the trees. You can see I'm getting dripped on, even though I'm on a covered porch. Um, Out here. It's been raining all day, and I got up here with the family on Saturday, and Sunday I popped a fever. You may have read a little bit in my blog about like how to deal with that if things don't go quite according to plan, right? From your getting back to basics. But here's what I'll share with you. Finally, I've got my fever's mostly broken. My voice is a little bit back, and I'm gonna start to ramp back into my vacation activities slowly. It's raining, so there's no volleyball. There's no outdoor pickleball. The indoor pickleball courts are all full all day, which is fine because we have other stuff planned for tonight. But tomorrow, I'm not gonna kill myself on the volleyball court. I will try to get out and do a little bit of pickleball in the afternoon for sure and see how it goes. I'm hoping to spend a little bit of time in the hot tub, but right now, because of the thunderstorms passing through, those are closed too. So I'm hanging out inside and I thought I'd stop by and say hi and share some of the things because, it matters. I will say mindset matters. Now, we all know that as it pertains to your health, but it pertains in every aspect of life, right? So I could have been miserable all week, but I sat and I watched and I stayed away from people and I didn't breathe on them because I don't actually know, if I'm contagious or not. And at this point, I know that I'm not because I got tested for all the things and blood work and all is well. But um, you just have to adapt, right? You never know what's going to happen. We've got some board games. We did some takeout, and it's going to be okay, right? Clearly, this was my body's way of telling me that I needed to rest a little bit more than I had been, and stop talking quite so much. This happens every couple of years. And it's a really good reminder that I need to be a little bit more consistent with my balance in my recharge section of my eat, move, and recharge formula because obviously I wasn't. And the truth is, I knew that. I knew that I was planning for this vacation, burning the candle at both ends a little bit too much so that I could hopefully like take the whole 2 weeks off without stressing about it. And instead, what happened was I got sick. So I'm going to take this lesson to heart. Hopefully, this will help you in planning your consistency so that you don't have to deal with the same thing that I'm dealing with. And not to worry, next week I'll be back, still in Vermont, but back with my full voice. And I'll tell you about all of the fun activities because, yes, the weather is supposed to pick up after Sunday and the storm passes. So stay tuned for lots of great stories about all of the activities and all the things that I'm doing in the other half of the PFC lifestyle, right? The active one. Right now, I'm in the recharge section. I'm making sure I'm getting lots of sleep, lots of hydration, keeping my stress levels low, and all the things. If you have any questions, if you've been in this situation, I'd love to hear your story. Tag me down below, and I will see you soon.